Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X, showing you today this lovely looking and approved use Volkswagen Transporter Kombi here in a range-topping Highline trim with a 2-litre 150 PS engine, DSG automatic gearbox and finish in Ravenna blue metallic colour. Key highlights will include these gorgeous full LED headlights of LED daytime running lights, as well as ordinary fog lights when visibility drops, whilst around the side, large 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels will also contrast beautifully. In the rear, the story is no different, with signature-shaped full LED taillights and a load area that's incredibly practical. It features rubberized flooring for added protection, as well as tether hooks to tie down loose items. A quick glimpse in the front will also reveal a stylish two-tone dashboard with two-tone cloth upholstery featuring armrests for added comfort. Additionally, for your infotainment needs, 8-inch Discover Nav will feature FM and DAB radio with additional media source inputs, and pairing your phone for Bluetooth couldn't be easier. Built-in sat-nav will always ensure you never get lost, but you always have support of AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto projection, whilst numerous vehicle settings will allow you to fully personalize this transporter as well. Music fans will appreciate the adjustable speaker sound system, and a host of active safety systems such as these on the screen will also keep a watchful eye of the road, and helping you park there's a rear view camera, front and rear sensors. Down below, easy to use air conditioning is complemented by winter pack heated front seats and even a heated windscreen for those cold winter months ahead of us. This has been a presentation of the approved use Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.